Hello everyone, hope you are smiling. Today we will see exercises of chapter 19. Let's see the first one. Put a tick by the true sentences and a cross by the ones that are false. It is quite similar to true and false. I hope you all can do this easily. Now let's move to question number 2. Choose the best answer. You have to choose the best one. And before doing this exercise, that is question number 2, please go through the chapter 2 to 3 times. Then you will be able to do it easily. Now let's see question number 3. Read the examples carefully. Then put the correct verbs in the blank spaces. Okay, you have to read the examples carefully. Then we have to put the correct verbs in the blank spaces. We will see the examples first. He is late and so am I. Prem is walking and so is Maya. She was early and so was I. Raj lives in Bombay and so does Anu. They went home and so did I. The boys have done it and so have the girls. So here you can see am, is, was, does, did, have, is, was, lives, went, have done. So you have to just go through it. Prem has finished and so have I. They sat down and so did we. Maya will go and so will I. Lions are fierce and so are tigers. So again you can see here has finished, have, sat, did, will, are. So what do you have to see here? You have to see after see the verbs here. After considering the verb in the first one, you have to decide what should be the correct verb in the another sentence. Means she is ready and so dash I. So what will be here? Any guess? Here it will be am. She is ready and so am I. I know many of you have guessed correctly. So like this, I have said you all, first see this, then you will be able to decide what should be here. Means verbs. Be careful, you have to fill only verbs, nothing else. Let's see question number 9. Tom was born in Kolkata and so, any guess? And so was Maya. Tom was born in Kolkata and so was Maya. Let's see one more. Question number 14. The boys had done it and so had the girls. The boys had done it and so had the girls. So like this you have to do. Now let's see question number B. Prem was not ready and neither was I. He did not do his homework and neither did I. Mrs. Rao has not come to school and neither has Mrs. Das. He would not help us and neither would his brother. Here if you see carefully, if it is negative here, then here it is positive. You can see was not, was, did not, did, has not, has, would not, would. So I think it will be easy to guess it for you all, as I have already given you a hint. Let's see a few questions here. Let's see question number 3. The girls did not have a holiday yesterday and neither dash the boys. So what will be the answer? Any guess? Yes, all of you have guessed correctly. Did here. Did. The girls did not have a holiday yesterday, and neither did the boys. Let's see. Question number 7. She did not like taking the nasty medicine, and neither dash her brother. So, what will be the answer? Neither did her brother. Neither did her brother. So, like this, you all have to practice. I think it's very easy. You all can do it easily. Now, let's see question number 4. Join the sentences using and so dot 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 or and neither dot dot dot. So you have to join the sentences using the words which are given here.